Have you ever dreamed of owning a rare muscle car? Today, we explore the top 10 rarest American muscle cars ever built. These iconic machines are more than just cars, they represent pure passion, power, and history. Let's kick off with number 10. The 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. Only 11 of these were made with a Hemi engine. They are prized by collectors. Next, we have the 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. With only 503 produced, it's a symbol of NASCAR success. Its aerodynamic design is breathtaking. At number 8, meet the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 LS6. This powerhouse had just 4,475 units produced. Its performance still impresses today. 7th is the 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge. With only about 3,600 built, this model showcases the ultimate 1970s muscle car charm. Moving on, at number 6, is the 1967 Corvette L88. Just 20 were built for racing enthusiasts. It's famous for its speed and rarity. Now, let's talk about number 5. The 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429. Only 1,360 made, it's a true racing legend. At number 4, we have the 1969 AMC Hearst SC Rambler. Only 151 of these unique cars exist. Its distinct style makes it memorable. Our third entry is the 1970 Plymouth Superbird. With about 2,000 produced, it also became a NASCAR superstar. Its unique design turns heads everywhere. Second place goes to the 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Only around 45 examples exist with a special Z28 option. It's a racing icon. Finally, the rarest American muscle car is the 1967 Shelby GT 500 Super Snake. Just 2 were built. It's a true piece of automotive history. To summarize, these rare muscle cars define American automotive passion. Collecting them means owning a slice of history. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more car-related content.